back to StudyNest. So winter is here and also it's Christmas in few days. But it also comprises of dry and cold winds, lack of sunlight, and causes, flu and diseases. And for few, there are mood declines. Say goodbye to all those difficulties. Because today, I'm going to give you tips and tricks which are going to help you to stay in a good, healthy and fit winter season. So without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Number 1. Be exposed to sunlight. Many people like me feel happy when they are in the natural sunlight. So, in the mornings, that is, in the sunset and the sunrise, go and just expose yourself to the sunlight, and they give you the vitamin D, which is helpful and it is an essential vitamin for our body. Tip number 2: wash your hands regularly. The chances of flu are in peaks in the winter. Also, our immune system weakens up a little. So, hence, if we wash our hands regularly, there are no ways of being sick. And of course, bacteria and all are not visible and are mostly on our hands. So, wash your hands. Another factor for being sick is stress. So, with that comes our tip number 3: say no to stress. Goodbye, stress. Okay. So, this is a very big factor for being sick, because it actually causes our brain to be sad, and also we get the disease. We feel very sad and feel lonely and stuff like that. So make sure you are calm. So all I want to say is just stay calm, relaxed. Tip number 4: drink plenty of water. Now, in winters, because of the dry winds and the cold weather, we don't tend to feel thirsty. But it is important that we drink water. Don't neglect of being and not drinking water. So whenever, at least drink 8 glasses. That's what doctors say. Just drink water. Just put a bottle beside you every time. And if you feel that you will feel sick when you drink cold water, go ahead and drink warm water. There's nothing, but don't drink extremely hot water. It can again damage. Just drink slightly warm water. Ice cakes. Sorry. Tip number 6 is what is my personal experience prescribed by my mommy. So, whenever you want to have a dessert, you sit in the road with fear of cold and you just stop, and with a sad face, you go home and you do sad stuff, and then again, just don't be sad. It's winter, you have to be happy because Christmas is gonna come soon. And so, so what you have to do is whenever you see some dessert or something, just have that ice cream. Because, as soon as you have ice cream, don't be happy. Go and drink hot water. If you are outside somewhere, then run to your home and drink hot water. Otherwise, don't eat. If you don't think that within 1 hour you will be able to drink hot water. As soon as if you get within 1 hour, you have to drink hot water, because that's the best way. So whenever you see dessert, just go ahead and nibble it up and then go and drink some hot water. So that was tip number 6. Drink water as soon as you eat your dessert. But limit yourself to 2 times per month, because going above the limit is always harmful. So yeah, that was it for today. I hope you enjoyed. If yes, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share and subscribe and ring the notification bell for my latest updates. Until the next video, goodbye.